In front of me is Xiaomi 17 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. There are 3 ways to manage adaptive brightness on this Xiaomi. First two are located in Tab menu. To access it, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Now you can hold brightness slider and wait for this pop-up. Click on auto brightness on the left to turn it on, or switch it off and go back by tapping on blurry area. You can also click on edit at the bottom. Swipe down and add auto brightness shortcut by clicking on blue plus at the top right corner of it. Then hold it, drag it to the perfect place and let go. Make sure to save it by clicking on this checkmark at the top right corner. Now you can tap on your shortcut to enable or disable adaptive brightness. Last but not least, you can go into settings, scroll to click on display and brightness available here, and use this switcher next to automatic brightness right under brightness slider to either switch it on or turn it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!